Hi guys, it's your favorite nurse educator, NP Clark, and I'm back with another cup of the morning coffee. In today's cup, guys, acute sinusitis, which is why I'm drinking a little bit of ginger and turmeric tea. Now, acute sinusitis, what is it? It's a short-term inflammation of the mucous membranes of your paranasal sinuses that surround the nasal cavity. So it's really all of these right there. I could even say it's up here. This results in a runny nose, sneezing, and nose block. So sometimes you get a runny nose, sometimes you get like a little stuffy. What causes this? It is often preceded by a common cold, right? Or a period of increased sinus congestion. So those seasonal allergies that get you every time. What are some of the symptoms? Symptoms include a thick yellow or greenish discharge from the nose, nasal blockage, pain or swelling around your nose. Sometimes you get under your eyes, your cheeks, right? And then hyposmia, which is decreased ability to smell. So I've had a couple of patients in the last week say, oh, I got a COVID, I can't smell. But usually COVID's taste and smell. But with acute sinusitis, it's usually just the smell, which kind of sets it apart. And then how is it diagnosed? The diagnosis of this depends on your medical history, right? Physical examination, we're going to look, at in your nose, in your sinuses. I want to see what's coming out of there, also that discharge or any of those things, right? And then we could do some nasopharyngeal cultures, allergy skin tests, some x-rays, endoscopy, which is really a rhinoscopy, like nose, rhinoscopy, CT scan. And then this one I thought was really interesting, guys, a dental x-ray. Sometimes when people get abscesses in their gums, it causes a different type of inflammation. So sometimes you'll need a dental x-ray. And we talked about causes, and like I said, it's usually after a common cold, but it could be bacterial, viral, or a fungal infection. It can also be allergic reactions, environmental factors, dust, pollen, blah, blah, all of those things. And then what are the risk factors? Some people have nasal polyps or tumors. It's tissues that grow in your sinuses, kind of blocks those ways, and then kind of lets other little things kind of get stuck in there, right? And then deviated nasal septum. This restricts or blocks your nasal passages, and then a weakened immune system. And we should all start trying to build our immune system up, right? We're going into the fall. And then cystic fibrosis, that is a disease that causes thick, sticky mucus to build up in the body. And the sinuses are in the body. So now, how do we treat this? We're going to say home remedies. Yes. Over-the-counter nasal sprays, corticosteroids, sprays, decongestants, neti pots. You can do steams, orange peels, and different things. I like, and I think my grandma used to always put Vicks Vapor Rub on me, my mom and my granny. So, and no, that's not going to cure, but it is going to open you up and give you a little bit of relief, right? And then what are some of the complications if this is untreated? Honestly, meningitis, osteomyelitis, vision problems, partial or complete loss of sense of smell. So this is not something that you guys want to play around with. You definitely want to go and get it, get checked out. Just because, like I said, you could have polyps, you could have other things going on as well, in conjunction with acute sinusitis. And then how do I prevent this? Well, stop smoking, get the flu vaccine, treat your allergies quickly and completely. Avoid breathing dry air. So if you need a humidifier, because you want to put humidity in the air, humidifier. Everybody has Amazon. Amazon's never going to go out of business. So, or if they do, it won't be before you can get a humidifier. So a little humidifier, or I know some people, you just boil some water on the stove to keep moisture in your air. Plants, right? I love my little inside garden here. So plants, they can help put moisture in the air as well. Probably not enough for what you need, but it, definitely helps the air in your home and keeps it clean. So this has been another cup of the morning coffee, guys, with MP Clark. Thank you.